Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Appraisals on Thursday the 5th of March with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Moving on to cable now, and this cable chart pretty much followed the euro low, but obviously not in such a precipitous manner. However, we've seen pretty much now the last vestiges of this bull run, this recovery now broken, and that is because I believe that we've now seen the breakdown of the support at 53 figure, which had been holding up cable in recent days, and it's now broken to the downside. And that's pretty much completes the list of all these deteriorating indicators, really. You've got that MACD crossover, you've got the RSI falling away back below 50, and I've been using that 50 level as the basis of the support, and one of the reasons why I was positive. That's no longer now the case, back below 50. Stochastics falling fairly sharply as well, so pretty much everything negative. You're also back below the 21-day moving average, which had been a basis of support through the rally. That is now confirmed as a breakdown. So the outlook is deteriorating. This is hourly chart over about 6 weeks actually. It gives you a bit of an idea in terms of the intraday moves. And that's support at 52 is still the big support. But that is the support at 30 that's now broken, and that breakdown now becomes the basis of resistance. So that's just zoomed in slightly there. That's 53 big figure is now the resistance on cable. But it just looks like just continuing this sequence of lower highs, lower lows throughout the last few days on cable. And this I now see this being a resistance of around about 40-50 pips actually on cable. You got these lows a couple of days ago that would also provide resistance, but 53.30 and 53 figure. So in my opinion, there's sort of 50 pips worth of resistance there. You can sort of draw in a downtrend as well, which again brings you up to currently around sort of in that resistance band as well. So that is my opinion. If you get a rebound on cable, I think you'd need to be selling it. It's slightly oversold, so it's slightly rebounding, or certainly now no longer falling as sharply. So I think if you see any sort of rebound towards 53 figure, I'd be using that as a chance to sell. Ideally you'd be looking at the hourly RSI around the sort of mid 50s 60s level on that hourly chart as your opportunity if you got it, and also the MACD lines are a little bit extended to the downside, so perhaps seeing them unwind a little bit before selling off again would be ideal. But at the moment it certainly looks like cable is weak and getting weaker. It's now likely to test that 52 figure level. If it broke below 52 figure, I'm turning bearish. But it's certainly, and I'm saying bearish on a medium-term basis, that is, because basically that would sort of take out this key reaction low within the rally, the last key reaction low in that rally. So that would suggest that we're coming back towards these lows around 50 as well. So lots going on that's suggesting cable is deteriorating now. So yeah, it's not looking all that healthy anymore. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I'll speak to you later.